In this experiment, we will test a different type of detergents to see which one of them has better properties and cleans better.
First, we will be grabbing a piece of fabric and pouring a little bit of wine on them. Then, we will take the detergent and start cleaning with a cleaning brush, the most we can. And finally, we can see the effectiveness of the detergent. As we can observe, the effectiveness of this detergent was very good because it was left with no stain. And on the other test that we made, the results were very similar, but on the second test, the wine left a little stain on the piece of fabric.
On the video we can see that when we clean the stain of wine with a Kirkland detergent, there was a stain of wine left on the piece of fabric, and the results of the other test shows the different results depending on the quantity that was poured on each test and of the time that was carried on each one. On the final experiment, what it was saw were very similar results as the experiment 2 with the Kirkland detergent, but the thing that was different was that on one of the tests the form of brushing the cloth was a different technique, which made that the result was a stain less green than the others, and making that the cloth have a finished product of being whiter and cleanest.
We can conclude that each test of this experiment differs depending on the quantities of wine, water, or detergent that we use, because maybe we could get better results by brushing more the piece of fabric or by pouring more water. In this case, the best detergent was the Roma because of their properties.